my window.
Oh, those are pretty.
Every window need one of them.
Hey guys, we're in Dollar Tree. Look, me and my mother. But look at the Christmas. Oh my God. That's everything at Dollar Mother is Dollar Tree. Go get us a buggy. So we can look. Oh my God, that's pretty. I think I'm gonna grab a couple of those wreaths. Look at the poinsettias. See? Oh wow. Oh, they got cranberries. Like you really get to see. It is so many DIYs you could do with this. This is fantastic. I'm gonna grab a couple of these items so you guys will see me get those. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I think I'm gonna get 3. Oh wait, one I'm missing a bow. Bows. And the bell. And the bell guy. Yep, I think I'm gonna grab these pinks.
Go in your tree.
Yeah. Oh, that'll be so pretty for my tree. And I know I want some gold. So I grab a couple of golds. And let's get some of these. Oh, is this on a bushel? Oh, I'm sorry. So I grab a couple of these. Oh, wow. Oh, look. Oh, they ain't got no bell. I thought it was a bell that was wrong. But these still cute for top. Nice. Yeah. I'm going to get one of each. They don't have a green one. Garland. I don't really do good with garland. I don't do good with garland. Oh, I thought those was bells, but that's ornament garland. Oh, guys, look at this bell compared to that bell. Of course, this is the winner right here. I'm going to grab these. And I'm going to grab a red one. Wow, look at that. No green, huh? Nope. I like that. You guys like that? So those are nice. And then they have that color. But I think I'm going to get a red. A red one with the gold bells. I think that's really pretty. These are the bowls I like right here. With the belt on them. With the Santa's belt. That's pretty. So I grabbed that. These are self-adhesive gift tags. They got the bow stuck to the gift tag already. So I'm going to grab a couple of these. Okay. So I grabbed these already. I got some of these. And I think I got this one, Let It Snow. A bell. And I got a Santa. Oh, they'll say, ho, ho, ho. Oh, here. Look, Mother, that's cute. Santa, stop here. That's cute. Oh, here's another bell, but it's just like, now that's cute. That'll make a good door ornament also.
Yeah, that would.
And I thought I grabbed one of these, but if not, I'm about to get it just to be on the safe side. I like this too. Oh no, look at that. Mother, that's pretty.
No, that's pretty.
Look at the ornaments. Sleighs. All the little signs. I don't like the way that one looked. Those kind of cheesy. I don't like those. This was actually the grossest chocolate. I hated those coral chocolates. No, I like those. Here, Lindor is back up in here. I wonder did anybody find any of these for a penny in Dollar Tree General. Okay, these is hard. I need the Werther's caramels. Look. I like that too, them balls.
Those are pretty.
Now those are big ones and they big. Oh, the little houses. Right. Why would you say do that? That's pretty. So this is the snow that go inside of the snow they better go inside these the ornaments they make, the stuff they make. I'm gonna grab a house ornament.
You got 3 trees, you know.
Yeah, no. That's cute. Look, it's that. That'd be good on like a cookie dish. In a cookie dish. Yeah. I like this piece on earth. Oh, I like, look, these are stickers, Christmas stickers. These are cute. Oh, here's some. Look, mother. And it's got a. Oh, that one got a little crack in it. Would have been cute though.
You don't think that's what's going?
Look at that. Those are cute. Gingerbread men, Santa Clauses. Okay, so we're gonna grab 2 of these because I have 2. I have 1 coupon for these, so we'll grab 2 of these. And guys, I got so much stuff in my cart. I will show you all the coupons when I get home. Okay, I want to grab. I have 4 coupons of these Werthers, which I got out of a Menard. So I'm gonna grab 4 bags of these, and they have to be the Chewy caramels. Look, I'm looking for some wall decals for my kids. Did this come off yet? Oh, I think that'll be cute for them to explore. Let me get one of these.
Yeah.
And then
And,
animals. Love you, boy. I don't know what that says. I like this though. Yeah, I think I'll put that somewhere myself. I'll put that in India room. And then, oh, they got so many decks, so many wild decals. Wow. Like this kind of new. This is really, I think I'm gonna need a couple of those. Let's explore. Let's get 2 of those. And then, what's that? That's the paws. Okay. So those some wild decals I grabbed for the boys' rooms. Yeah, a lot of little stuff. Yeah, bugs, everything. Oh, okay. So they got some little ornament drums my mother just found.
oh my God, funny.
Oh, look at that. Patient, gentle, humble, loving. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. This a whole section, guys, of wall decals. A whole section. That is nice. And I kind of went through them. Be with you, Paris, snap. That's feathers. Then there's that. Let go and let God. Gonna be amazing. Wash hands. Gonna grab one of these wash hands also. Oh, look at that. They got elves. They got the little feet turn out. There's an elf basket. That'll be cute to make something with it. Let's see. Oh, here's the chicken broth. Beef flavored sandwich. They got a couple of things going on up in here. Okay, and you all know we made tacos out of the taco stuff that we bought the other day. Last time out of here. Here, look at these. Again, the cereal coupons. If you get somebody that don't check them, you can get those for free. Placemats or coasters. People cut these too a lot. Look at those coasters. Okay. I got a big spa soap. And one say antibacterial. Look at that. See? One of those. I'm gonna get one. So I'm gonna grab this antibacterial soap. I'll take any soap I can use to refill my soap containers back up. Better, like I don't need to buy that. Now Dial is in here. But you all notice it does not say. They don't have the Dial that's antibacterial. Oh, here's the Jergens. I ran out of coupons. Yeah. Well, I was getting those for free. So, I don't. Okay. I'm going to grab 4 of these and I'll show you how the coupon for them. Okay, guys, I'm going to try these 2 caresses. I'll just try 2 and see if the coupon works. If it works, then I'll let you all know it's a go. If you got the 50-cent coupon, you can get these for 50 cents. And here's the men's shampoo right here. I'm going to, that coupon is for $1. I want to grab 2 of these. These right here is 50 cents. You can grab 2 of those. Okay, guys, so here is the Pond's, what is that? Beauty cream. Let me find those coupons. Okay, and this is the coupon, guys, that we'll be using on the ponds. Okay, so these will make them free. I'm going to grab 2, and my mama's going to grab 2. Oh, look at the 10 cans. I think they kind of like cookie cans or something. But they would make good just cans just to put stuff in. Then they got some flat ones. Okay. Okay, guys, we are back from Dollar Tree. And we had a great haul, but we did have some beeps and bumps. But it still worked out very well. So in this Dollar Tree that I went to, which is one of my bigger Dollar Trees, these did not beep. So I did one haul, turned around, went back and got another one. Then, of course, these did not either. These come out of Unilever. November Unilever, guys. This come out of Unilever. These coupons are out of Unilever. This one is out of Unilever, and these. All these are Unilevers. Okay, I don't have the coupons with me. I'm having my car service, and my bag is actually in there. So I'm sorry I don't have it. Okay, so these did not beep. Of course, these came out last week for us, and they did not beep. They were very good coupons, 50 cents a piece. They made great stocking stuffers. Now, this is crazy because these didn't beep in the first haul. This one went through, but this one beeped. She manually put it through because she knew that this one worked. So that's what happened. Both of these beeped, but she read the coupon. And then the manager read, and the manager was like, I don't know why it's not taking it. You could key it in, just, it'll go down to $1. She won't get overage, which was fine. So these was free. These were free. These were free. And guess what? Went through, but they will only let me get one at a time. This Caress soap. And no beeps or nothing, but they would only let me get one at a time. That was crazy to me because I knew the coupon said too. But I was okay with that because it was free. And then I bought this, which is the antibacterial liquid hand, soap. I'm going to use it for hand soap. It's antibacterial. That's good enough for me. So altogether, what did we pay for this haul? We paid $1, $2 for everything. $2 for 2, 4. You got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 freebies out of this. And then all of my Christmas goodies that I've been grabbing. So I hope you all enjoyed this haul, guys. And shout out to Delphina. I met her in Dollar General today. She recognized me. And me and her had a long time. It was like talking to an old friend. And also, guys, we did a little couponing 101 on penny shopping. And I grabbed 33 penny items. I'm going to do a quick couponing on penny shopping. Because I kind of saw some mistakes some other people was making in there. The reason why they couldn't tell things was a penny. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, share this channel. And if you guys want to see a penny shopping haul in store, let me know and I will be happy to do one for you all. Hey, Delphina, bye.